Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my moving vlog series. If you haven't seen the first part, definitely go watch it. I am just picking up where I left off in that last vlog. Today is Saturday, July 27th, and it is my move day. It's about 7 in the morning right now. I've just been up getting ready and finished packing everything up in my room. This is the current state of my room. I took my bed apart. I have like my nightstand here, some laundry, and then these are my box springs, and then my mattress is right here. So I'm just gonna start taking this stuff downstairs, and I'm putting some stuff in like my car and my mom's car and stuff, like littler things like my pillows and stuff that I don't want in the U-Haul. So I'm gonna start loading up the cars, and that is the plan. I do have a storage unit. I mentioned that in my last vlog, so we're gonna head there and pick up the U-Haul at the storage unit and then start loading it up there, and then bring the U-Haul back to my house to then load all of this stuff. So it's probably going to be a very hectic day, so I will try to film as much as I can for you guys and film little clips here and there. So let's just get this day started. Okay, we are all moved in. We brought everything up. We just kind of were making piles. And then here's my room. It's just kind of looking a mess, but we have everything up and ready and in here. Hey you guys, please ignore my appearance. Today has been insane, but we are just doing a little bit more unpacking and stuff. My living room is a little bit more put together. We have the couch in here. I put my rug out, and then that's the coffee table I built the other day. I have my blanket ladder over there. I'm gonna hang these 2 pictures up, and then I have another little table over here. I still have to build my end table, and then a lot of this is just like decor that I don't really have a place to put quite yet. We're also gonna be getting the dining table tomorrow, and then I put my papasan chair in this corner. That's where we were kind of initially planning on putting it, and I think it's pretty good. It kind of sticks out a little far for my liking, but I think once we kind of put like other furniture in here, it won't look so like out of place. The kitchen is pretty much the same as it was. We just washed all of the pots and pans, and I have my crock pot and my knife block out this time. But here's my room. I have a ton of stuff on the floor in here, but this is kind of the setup that I have going on. My bed is in this corner. I have my bookshelf. I've been unpacking this in this little wall right here, and then I have my dresser and my desk and some stuff over here, and then my closets are huge, so I have like this in here as well. So that's just the current state of everything. I am like so exhausted. I've also only really been eating fast food the past couple days because I've just been here like unpacking, and I also have like no groceries in my apartment, so I just like feel gross because of that. And then also I've been up since 6 a.m. today, and I've been moving boxes, loading things up, unloading things all day, and I'm exhausted. But this is the second bedroom where my sister will be, but my mom, we brought an air mattress for her, so she's gonna be sleeping in here tonight. So she's here with me to help me, because this is a lot. This is a lot for like one person to do. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep unpacking, and I will check in with you guys probably later tonight. So I will see you guys then. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't even vlogged at all today. Honestly, I woke up today and I was exhausted. I didn't even want to get out of bed today. Like, I didn't even want to do anything today because I was so tired. I'm gonna prop you guys up so we can talk. We have a lot to discuss. I honestly don't even know what the last thing I vlogged was. Mom spent the night, and then this morning we went out and we had a breakfast together. We had this place called Off the Griddle, I think, and it was so good. Like, it was so good. And then after that, we went to ikea for like what feels like the 6th time in the past like 2 days, but anyway. And we purchased a couple of small things, but the big things, we bought a dining table, we bought 4 chairs, and then we also got a bookshelf for the nook in my living room. We came home, My dad came over, he mounted my TV for me, so that's all good to go. I also bought some floating shelves. I want to put some shelves on the wall right here. You can see there's like some anchors in the wall already, but we don't have the right screws for it, so my dad has to buy those, so I can't hang those up yet, which is just like, oh my god, just more clutter everywhere. And then there's my Wi-Fi. You guys, being an adult and having to deal with this shit is genuinely so exhausting. So I was living with my parents for the past year, and I had my own personal router because I'm fucking extra, because I need to have an Ethernet cable to connect to my PC because I want better like Wi-Fi and connection. So I just transferred my service to my new address, but I made a giant mistake apparently by doing that. I don't know. So, you know, let this be a lesson to any of you guys that if you ever run into this issue, just don't transfer your services, because I have Xfinity and they told me that whenever you move and get a new address, they make a brand new account for you anyways. So just don't even bother transferring. Just remove the service, open a new account, whatever, or call them and let them know what's going on and then have them tell you what to do. Because when I went to transfer on Xfinity, it like gave you options, like, do you want to cancel the service? Do you want to have a technician come out and install, or do you want to self-install? And I was like, fuck you, I'm independent, I'm gonna self-install. And that was a giant issue. Anyways, so we didn't end up plugging in my router until later in the evening, but the light was flashing orange and it was just like that for hours. And we were like, crap, like what do we do? And I don't know why. God forbid it is like easy for you to like speak to a human being. No, first you're gonna go through our automated system. If that doesn't solve your issue, then you're gonna go through the live chat agent. Like last night, I was on the Xfinity assistant chatting with a live representative for an hour. The first person ended up leaving before they fixed anything. And I was like, okay, thanks for nothing. And then I got connected to another agent, and right as the solution was about to be fixed, their helpline closed for the night. So then we just got disconnected. So I'm like, cool. I give up. I wake up at like 6:45 today. The first thing I do is grab my phone and I open my Xfinity app and I get on that fucking Xfinity assistant live bot chat, okay? It was looking promising, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, okay, like they seemed to be like doing a good job. He told me what the issue was. I'm not gonna get into the technicalities of it because no one wants to hear about that, but there was just some issues with transferring to my new modem at my new address and like whatever. So he told me it'll take 6 hours. So 6 hours would be 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. comes and goes. The Wi-Fi is still not working. I give up. So then we spend, I am not even joking, the next hour and a half on the phone. This time with a live representative. Thank God it was like a real person. I was gonna go crazy if I had to like talk to another fucking bot again. I was gonna lose my mind. He was amazing, so helpful, so knowledgeable, so informative. He fixed the issue for the most part. It turns out I literally had the wrong modem. I don't know. So he was trying to set up an appointment for a technician to come to me and bring me the modem and like install it for me. He was like trying so hard to figure out a way to do that because the system wouldn't let him because I selected self-install. So guys, don't self-install. So I was like, you know what? If it saves you trouble, we will just go to Xfinity in person and just pick up the modem in person. My mom and I went to Xfinity and it was just a breeze. We were like on cloud nine. It was so great. The guy in there was super nice. He was pretty helpful as well. He got our new modem for us. He also helped me sign into my new account, which was also definitely an issue, and it works. It's great. So in my apartment, I have 2 Wi-Fi inputs. I have one in my room. It's right next to my desk right here. This is like what it looks like. I don't know what it's called, but the router like screws onto that. And then I also have one in my living room, and this is where it ended up working. So for some reason, I did try to plug in the Wi-Fi in my room, but it just like would not connect. It would not find a signal with that one. I don't know. I don't care. I'm over it. I literally don't care anymore. So anyways, that has been my Wi-Fi troubles. It has been such a headache and I'm just so over it. Anyways, I will give you guys a little overview of the current state of my apartment right now. So here is the dining table. Please excuse all the clutter everywhere, but this is the table we got and it's so cute and I love it. It'll look so much better once I put some decorations on it and put some wall art up because it's super bare right now. And then here is my living room. So this is definitely like the most setup part probably of my apartment. We put the blanket ladder in the corner. We also built the end table and dun-dun, my TV is mounted, which is so awesome. This is gonna be gone in a few days. My dad has to get an extension cord for this and then we're gonna run the cord through this whatever it's called, so it's like hidden. And then my room is like pretty much the same. It's actually probably messier than when the last time you guys saw like what's going on in here. These are the shelves I got. They're actually so cute. So it looks like that. I love the little brackets that we got. They're adorable. So those are just gonna go on my wall right here. And that's what's been going on the past couple days, or really just today. Like today sucked. I am exhausted. I also haven't eaten since breakfast and it's like almost 6 p.m. So I am gonna make some chicken flautas and I'm gonna sit and like just probably relax. Good morning. Today is Monday and it's like 11:30 right now. I was on the phone with Xfinity this morning. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details, but I'm actually going to be heading out to Xfinity right now. I need to give them back my old modem from my last address and I'm going to ask them if they can send a technician out here to fix the input in my bedroom because it doesn't work. So I'm going to go to Xfinity right now and then we're going to come back and I have a lot more unpacking and stuff to do. I need to build this bookshelf that's in the hallway taking up all this space. I was editing my vlog last night because I haven't been editing for the past like 4 days. I was watching the clips back and I saw the papasan in the dining room and I just hated it. I was like, it looks so weird out there. So at like 10:30 last night I came out and I actually moved some stuff around. So I put the papasan in the living room. It looks a little weird because my living room is not like fully set up and done yet. So I think once I have like the decorations up properly, it might look a little bit better. But I think it just looks better right there. It kind of still sticks out like a sore thumb. It's just so big and it doesn't fit anywhere in this apartment. It's so annoying. So my table is just in here. I definitely feel like I need some type of like something in this corner because it's very empty in here. Anyways, let's go to Xfinity. I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully I will check back in with some good news that hopefully my Wi-Fi can be fixed finally. I am home from going to Xfinity. I just dropped off my old stuff and I do have a technician coming out tomorrow morning to hopefully fix the Wi-Fi in my bedroom. But for now, I really need to do some more unpacking. I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore, you guys. Like, I really don't. The only stuff I really have left to do is like organize, and I just don't really have the mental capacity to organize anything right now. But I really need to organize my closet. These boxes are stuff for my closet, same with that one, and like I don't really have anything in there except for my clothes right now, so I really need to do that. So I'm gonna work on that. I don't really think I want to build the bookshelf right now, but like I probably should just build it though, huh? It's a little bit later and I am like so tired. I've just been like laying down for a bit because I'm just exhausted. Like I haven't had like a full night's sleep in almost a week. I just can't rest when I know there's things that need to get done, but I don't have the energy to do them. So I'm just in this like vicious cycle. It sucks. But I think I'm going to build the bookshelf now that's gonna be put in this nook behind me. It's gonna be probably a little difficult. This box is super heavy, so hopefully I can lift it. Let's just build this bookshelf right now. Okay, you guys, here is the bookshelf all built. It literally fits in this nook perfectly. I love how tall it is, and it's not too skinny, but it just fits like just right. It wasn't too hard to build. It probably took me like between an hour and a half to build. I also did some more work in my room. I no longer have any boxes on the floor. I went ahead and added my decor on top of my dresser. Ignore this pile in the front, but in the back you can see I put up some decor, and I think it looks so cute. I also went ahead and put everything in my closet. So here's this side, and then here is this side. I ended up moving my hamper in my closet because I have so much space in here. But my next order of business is definitely to go ahead and start adding stuff to that shelf in my living room. I need to go ahead and fill it with stuff because it's looking very empty. Okay, I did a little bit of decorating. This is pretty much all the decor that I have, that I've purchased, or that I have from my last apartment. I tried to kind of start laying things out. I don't like this at all. I'm gonna have to redo it, but at least I can like see everything that I have. I also hung up this little frame thing right here, and I have this really cute light. It's actually really bright for how small it is. I really want to get some coffee table books or something to put underneath to make it taller because it's kind of short. I would like to do some sort of gallery wall or something next to the dining table. This is kind of what I have right now. I don't love it, so I don't know. I'm just gonna have to go to the store and find and see what there is, but I want to go right now because I'm excited and I just want to fill my apartment. Like, I don't like looking at an empty wall, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go to Home Goods and maybe other places if I feel like it. I don't know right now, so let's go and see what we can find. Okay, I just got back from shopping. I'm not even joking when I tell you I was in Home Goods and Ross collectively for 2 hours. I don't even know what I'm doing. Home Goods was just kind of a bust. I wasn't very impressed with what they had in there. I did get this under the sink organizer little shelf thing. I think they like pull out so you can have easier access. I'm usually against getting things like this because it's just more plastic that you don't really need, but I genuinely don't have anything else I could really use for this. All of my little organizers are really small and nothing is going to fit like my cleaning supplies and stuff. So I let myself get this, but this will probably be the only like plastic storage thing I get. And this was $17. I did also get another fake plant. I feel like I want a lot of these for different places, and this was the only one that they had that I liked. I just think it's nice and simple, though I think it looks nice, and this was $8. And then the last thing I got was actually a mirror. We ordered a small console table to put right here, and then I would like to put a mirror over top. And I actually found a mirror on Facebook Marketplace. I want a round one, and I would like it to maybe be like wood or maybe gold or something. Like, I don't want everything to be white in here. And I found one on Marketplace for 40 bucks. It's like the perfect size and it's like exactly what I want. I'm not even joking when I tell you I was in Home Goods. I found the exact same mirror at Home Goods for the same price. So I just decided to get it. And look at how cute it is. It's just round and it's this really pretty oak color, which is kind of what I have going on. And it was 40 bucks. Like, I am so happy. So that was definitely a success. I'm very happy about that. And then I went to Ross. I got some things that aren't apartment related. New pack of paintbrushes because the ones I have are probably older than me and very crusty. This was only $4. Hello Kitty strawberry soup mug bowl. I have actually wanted this for so long. I have it saved on my Target app, and I think retail this is like 20 bucks. But this was only $7. I found this really cute Snoopy shirt that I'm gonna give to my boyfriend for his birthday. I really hope he's not watching this video. I found this really cute napkin holder. I do have one, but it's like a dark wood and black, and I don't have like any black in here, and it's kind of like farmhousey, and I'm not into that. But I actually really like this one. It was just white and simple. It has like flowers on it, and it was 5 bucks. I found this candle. It's like the perfect sage green, and it has like a wood top. It kind of smells like minty and like a man. I also got this little elephant ceramic thing. It was $6. I love elephants. So that was my entire haul. I feel like it was pretty successful and I got things that I genuinely wanted and needed. So this was great. I honestly think I'm actually gonna end this vlog here. I feel like this video is getting kind of long and I also feel like I'm not vlogging as much anymore because I've kind of, for the most part, gotten my apartment set up. I no longer have furniture to build until that console table comes in the mail. I do obviously want to do a full apartment tour once everything is kind of set up, but it's just going to be a while. This will most likely conclude my moving series. I might do some more vlogs later on if I have like a lot of interesting stuff going on. But I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.